What's going on, guys, Filip here, and today I'm going to show you how to get a transparent background in Photoshop. To start off by opening a new file, shortcut Ctrl N, go down to background contents. Here you want to choose transparent, the default is white I believe. Press OK, and here you have the transparent background. Now you can just go ahead and add your image. I chose a banana. Go ahead and just rasterize this, and now just remove the white or whatever you want from your picture like this, so you only have your object you want with the transparent background. Now you can save this, and you can't save as a JPEG, you'll have to choose something else, maybe PNG. Go ahead and save, and here you can see my transparent banana. I'll just go ahead and show you that it's transparent by opening a new document with a transparent background, adding my image, and there you see transparent background. So yeah, that's everything. Control N, transparent background, and just remove what you don't want to have on your picture. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If not, just leave a comment or send a message with the problem you're having. Thank you guys for watching. Gracias por ver. I wish you a fine day, and until next time, hasta luego.